The COVID-19 pandemic is the most serious crisis we have faced in a generation. It has put all countries around the world to the test on the medical, economic, and social fronts. We have been able to respond boldly and decisively to the outbreak in Singapore because we have forged a cohesive, resilient society. The whole nation has come together in response. Our healthcare and frontline workers are working tirelessly to care for the infected. Our cleaners are doing humble but heroic work to keep our environment clean. Thousands of public officers are working round the clock to respond to the threat of COVID-19. Individuals are doing their part. Vloggers and bloggers are helping to share public messages. Others are volunteering, giving support and encouragement, and crucially, by complying with health advisories and practicing safe distancing. This includes foreigners who live amongst us and who care deeply about Singapore. Many have also had to make sacrifices in this time. Families have had to make difficult adjustments to their lives, some having to undergo quarantine, cancel celebrations, or put off long-awaited plans, including wedding plans. And despite our best efforts to work with businesses and unions to save jobs, some workers have suffered a loss of income or jobs. The government and the political leadership are in this with Singaporeans. We share the worries and anxieties of Singaporeans and will do our best for you. We will walk with every Singaporean through every up and down. To show solidarity with Singaporeans, I announced at the budget debate last month that the political leadership will take a 1-month pay cut. With the deteriorating situations, we will go further. All political office holders will take an additional pay cut of 2 months, altogether a 3-month cut in their salary. The President, Speaker, and both Deputy Speakers have informed me that they will join in and take a similar 3-month pay cut in total. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is in times of crisis that the true character of a nation can be seen. We are all in this together, and we must all look after one another in these trying times. We'll stand with one another through thick and thin. This is what it means to be SG United. This is what it means to be Singapore together. The months ahead will not be easy as the situation continues to evolve dynamically and unpredictably. We must continue to be on high vigilance, mentally and psychologically prepared for every scenario. The government will lead the way. We'll do our best to anticipate and respond to developments, make decisions based on facts and evidence, and exercising judgment when there are trade-offs. While we attend to the immediate and urgent tasks, we'll set our sights on the long term so that Singapore comes out of this crisis stronger as a nation. We'll protect and advance the well-being and livelihood of Singaporeans. We'll take care of our people. We'll leave no one behind. And we'll stand with Singaporeans from all walks of life to battle this crisis together. We'll stand with our dedicated and courageous frontline workers, healthcare workers, cleaning staff, immigration officers, public transport workers who keep Singapore going despite the risks they face on the job. We'll stand with our workers and businesses to ride through this economic storm together and overcome this challenge to our growth and prosperity. We'll stand with our fellow Singaporeans to look out and care for one another at a time of fear and anxiety. We'll work with our people and institutions around the world to combat this global threat. This is the essence of who we are as a nation. This is the essence of who we are as a people. This is SG United. This is SG Together. I'm confident that together we'll ride through this storm and emerge even stronger. Thank you.